Meat. Meat is a key ingredient in Hungarian cuisine, with beef, pork, and chicken being commonly used in dishes. Some traditional dishes, such as goulash, are made with beef or pork. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple of Hungarian cuisine and are often used in dishes such as paprikash and stew. Sour cream. Sour cream is a popular ingredient in Hungarian cuisine and is often used as a garnish or sauce for dishes such as goulash and paprikash. Regional varieties. Hungarian cuisine varies by region, with each region of the country having its own specialties. Some of the most popular regional dishes include Hortobágy palacsinta. Hortobágy palacsinta is a savory pancake that is a specialty of the Hortobágy region. The pancake is filled with meat and served with a paprika sauce. Képasta. Székely képasta is a stew that is a specialty of the Székely region. The stew is made with sauerkraut, pork, and sour cream, and is often served with mashed potatoes. Halászl. Halászl is a spicy fish soup that is a specialty of the Danube region. The soup is made with fish, paprika, and garlic and is often served with crusty bread. Lexo. Lexo is a vegetable stew that is a specialty of the southern region of Hungary. The stew is made with peppers, onions, tomatoes, and paprika and is often served with bread or potatoes. Somlói galuska. Somlói galuska is a popular dessert that is a specialty of the Somló region. The dessert is made with layers of sponge cake, chocolate sauce, and whipped cream, and is topped with walnuts and raisins. Cultural significance. Hungarian cuisine is an important part of the country's cultural identity, with traditional dishes and ingredients reflecting the country's history and cultural influences. Food plays an important role in Hungarian celebrations and holidays, with special dishes being prepared for Easter, Christmas, and other occasions. One of the most important aspects of Hungarian cuisine is its role in bringing people together. Hungarian cuisine is often shared with family and friends, with meals being a time for conversation and community. In addition, Hungarian cuisine is often enjoyed with local wines, which are an important part of the country's culinary traditions. In recent years, there has been a growing movement in Hungary towards organic and sustainable farming practices. Many farmers and chefs are working to promote traditional ingredients and cooking methods, while also incorporating modern techniques and flavors. Conclusion. In conclusion, Hungarian cuisine is a unique and delicious culinary tradition that is worth exploring. With its bold flavors and hearty ingredients, Hungarian cuisine offers a rich and satisfying dining experience that reflects the country's history, geography, and cultural influences. Whether you're trying traditional dishes or exploring modern takes on Hungarian cuisine, there are endless opportunities to discover new and delicious dishes in Hungarian cuisine. If you're interested in trying Hungarian cuisine, there are many traditional dishes that you can try at home. One of the most famous dishes, goulash, is easy to make with just a few ingredients. To make goulash, you'll need beef, onions, potatoes, and paprika.